sarap na ating umaga pag ganyan na nakikita natin. Sumasayaw na magagandang dilag. Basta usapang courage naman ang pag-uusapan natin. Dito sa yung matinding challenge sa ating buhay, especially when it comes to our health, ano. And itong mga kasama natin, talagang they fought long and hard. But in the end, they were very victorious. Kasama natin ngayon ang mga cancer survivors, Ina Esguera and Becky Fuentes from I Can Serve. One morning.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Okay, tell us first, what kind of cancer did you survive?
Breast cancer.
Breast cancer, and you also...
Yes.
Okay, how did you, before we talk about your group, I Can Serve, tell us first, how did you survive this? What did you have to go through?
I had the full 8 sessions of chemo, 17 sessions of quercetin therapy. And I'm taking oral medications right now. I have to take it for 5 years. That's tamoxifen.
And
Actually, I am an 18-year-old survivor. So, well, I was diagnosed when we were still living in Singapore. This was in 1990. So I went through lumpectomy. That was on my right breast. I had 12 sessions of chemo, and then 21 sessions of radiotherapy. And then 2 years ago, it went to my other breast. It started again. It was not a met. It didn't spread, but it started on my left
I wasn't
breast.
aware of that. I thought it'll just happen to both. I didn't know it was like one or the other.
Yeah, and then it can happen again to the other one.
Yes.
So it's still possible na even if you survive one, pwede pa magkaroon ulit.
Yes.
So you have to be careful.
Yes.
So okay, what are you doing now to help other cancer survivors?
Right now, we're part of the I Can Serve group. It aims to educate women on breast cancer so that they will have informed choices about their health. And it also gives hope that they are not alone in their journey because there's a lot of us.
And that they can survive it, just like the both of you.
Yes.
Diba? Tama ba yun? Pag naagapan, then
Yes,
diba?
yes. I had mine in 2004 and it was early stage 1.
But even men can get breast cancer,
yes.
right? So Bob, you're
That's
not...
the misconception.
Hindi ka pa, kala mo mga babae lang, hindi
Mm-hmm.
pati lalaki. Pero dito ba sa Pilipinas, meron na tayong incidents ng mga lalaki?
Yes,
I have a very good friend who died of breast cancer. A good man.
Male friend.
A male friend.
Ano yung symptoms? The symptoms are the same?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly.
You will
And you
feel a
go to
lump.
the same...
Same
Okay.
chemo, radiation.
Wow.
So how are they, itong mga, those who are afflicted with cancer, how are they responding dito sa inyong grupo, no? Kasi yung iba parang medyo minsan in denial, they don't wanna see anybody, they don't wanna talk to anyone, and parang talagang depressed sila. What are you able to do for them?
We're able to empathize with them because we experience the same thing that they're experiencing. So, and we're able to give advice on who are the best doctors to see, the best treatments that they can do. So, basically, we really inform them on the best way to go about it. So
And now
they
you
can
have a
make,
campaign for in the barangays, right, in Marikina.
Yes.
Para sa ating mga kababayan who can't really, don't have that much resources. What have you done for them? Pakikwento naman sa ating mga kababayan.
Well, actually, we call it ating dibdibin. So you
Ating dibdibin, okay.
It's so apt that you're supposed to go on. We have a mantra now. At 20 years old, go on self-breast examination. At 30, same thing, self-breast examination, together with a doctor. The doctor does a breast examination on you.
Kasi kung ikaw lang, it's possible you won't detect
Yes,
it.
you might miss it. And then at the age of 40, self-breast examination, doctor's examination, plus mammogram.
You know, women are so scared of that mammogram. You know how they do that, Bob?
I think they pull it.
No! No.
They don't?
No, they crush it.
Oh, okay.
Like, you know, so kaya yung mga, when the women see that, ayaw na nila magpa-mammogram.
Okay.
You know, this machine must have been made by a man who hates women. Ganon. Kasi talagang violent siya sa breast ng women. So, yeah, hopefully, meron na ibang way to find out if a woman has breast cancer aside from that mammography. Meron na ba? Wala pa.
Actually, there's a different kind of machine that they use now, the digital mammogram, which is less painful because the thing that presses the breast is not metal anymore. It's parang plastic. Yeah, the
It's not
digital
too
mammo.
painful anymore.
It's not as painful.
Bobby gotta go through that.
And we have other technologies now, like the MRI, the ultrasound. But the MRI kasi is more costly. So the standard really is still the breast ultrasound and the mammogram.
And I noticed your ribbon, yung pink ribbon.
pink ribbon.
Why did you choose yung pink ribbon for that?
Actually, the pink ribbon is the international logo, which is connoted with breast cancer. It's an international thing. It's not only here in the Philippines.
And for those who want to get in touch with you, who need help or therapy, or I don't know, however you can help them, where do they get in touch with you?
They can check our website. It's www.icanserve.net, or they can call our hotline at 687-5942.
And siguro message lang for those na who are fighting cancer right now and don't know how to deal with it psychologically, emotionally, and even yung how even the families of itong mga victims, no, how should they also treat itong kapamilya nila na may cancer?
Well, as one of our sisters at iCancerve said, Dayday David, I'll quote her, cancer is a word. It's not a sentence. You know, there is life after cancer, like you can see. Ina and I have been survivors. I have been a survivor for the past 18 years. I'm still around. There's hope. And there is help.
And there is no prevention for this, right? Just cancer doesn't choose any. Walang pinipiling ano yan, gender, walang pinipiling race. It does,
Yes,
no?
correct.
But what can you just do? I guess a healthy lifestyle, does that help?
Yes, of course. And you have to be vigilant about your health. You have to check yourself. Like in my case, I found out because I felt the lump myself. Because I do breast self-examination. So that's the moment I felt it, I went to the doctor and had it checked, and it was malignant. So in iCancerve, we're encouraging people we're educating them about breast cancer, we're promoting early detection, and we're encouraging them to take charge of their health.
So maganda mensahe dyan, diba, Nix? There is hope, mga kaibigan. Kita mo naman, we have two survivors of the Big C. And thank you for gracing us here on One Morning. Teaching our
pleasure.
Sana, no, more power dito sa inyong mission, no? I hope you help
Thank
a
you.
lot more cancer-stricken people and those who are also survivors.
Thank you, guys. Uy, babatiin ko lang yung mga taga-LTO, si Chief Inday Bangilag, si Mrs. Madrid, si Mrs. Colsiga, at si Jun Ligaspi ng People's Tonight.
Ayan, from November 27 to 30, 2008, mga kaibigan, ang 7th Philippine Incentive Marketing Conference. Ang venue ay sa Canyon Woods and Canyon Cove in Cebu, Batangas. The theme is I Innovate, You Travel, We Achieve. Tawag lang po kayo sa 526-6110 for more details.
Okay, thank you to Luca Dressing Room, Advanced Mission Learning Center, Doc MJ Valdecañas of the Zen Institute, at Orange Mango by Abby Lopez. Maraming salamat. Our thought for the day pala, meron tayo. Huwag niyong kakalimutan kasi this will
Really enrich your life.
Yes.
The thought of the day is live your life to the fullest.
Okay. As you think, so you are. As you dream, so you become. As you create your wishes, so they create you. That's from Wendy Garrett. Think about that. Oo, kaya maganda dapat mo iniisip mo lagi para maganda din mangyayari sa iyo. Bye.
Kayaman ako.
Thanks to Violeta Tubil for our furnitures and Orient Deco na napakaganda, mga kaibigan. Jewel Handicrafts and Adora Handicrafts and Waynona Creations.
I would like to thank Dr. Audrey Camacho, CNG Skincare Solutions, also City Lifestyle, Fun Fitness Center sa Timog Avenue, and David Salon, Commonwealth Avenue. Thank you so much.
Hello to Malu and Body of Jewel Handicraft.
Hi. Hello.
Maraming salamat sa Luca, Tantis, The Dressing Room, Dr. Albert Chester J. Halbo, Body Shop, Aqua Salon. Thank you.
Oy, Boy at Fajardo, maraming salamat. Dr. Ferrari Cristal. Congratulations sa kapatid.